Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are going over the best outdoor furniture on all of Amazon. You guys, I love this set from Flash Furniture. It is their 6-piece Nantucket patio set. You guys, there are 4 folding chairs. They are going to be lightweight and super comfortable. Plus there are gliders on the bottom, so you're not gonna have to worry about them scratching up your deck. There's going to be your round patio table that's got tempered glass, thick tempered glass, as well as your patio umbrella table. You guys, I love this set because it is going to keep you cool, keep you in the shade, keep you protected from the sun. That is so important, to just give you a place to relax, unwind, have a conversation, have a meal, and not have to worry about, impressive heat, the sun's rays. Get a little protection there. This is going to be crazy high quality. You'll see the tempered glass of this table is extra thick. Every little piece in detail on this is going to scream quality, and you're going to be so impressed with it, especially for the price. These chairs are folding, so they're easy to store and going to take up, really minimal room if you need to store them when they are not in use. And they're also lightweight, so they're easy for even kids or older people to move them all around your patio exactly how you need them. You guys, this is a great set. It is going to really add to your summer experience. You are going to love it. Get out, have some meals outside, enjoy this beautiful weather, get some fresh air, spend some time with your loved ones. Go ahead, put this in your cart. You are gonna be so happy that you did.